What is a dental implant? A dental implant is a surgical component that is placed into the jawbone to support a dental prosthesis, such as a crown, bridge, or denture. It is typically made from titanium or other materials that are biocompatible, meaning they are not rejected by the body. The implant serves as a replacement for a tooth root, allowing for the attachment of artificial teeth in a way that mimics natural teeth. History of dental implants. The history of dental implants dates back to ancient civilizations. The first known dental implants were used by the Mayans, who used seashells as tooth replacements. However, modern dental implants as we know them today were developed in the 20th century, primarily through the work of Swedish orthopedic surgeon Per-Ingvar Brånemark. In the 1950s, Brånemark discovered that titanium could fuse with bone in a process called osseointegration, which led to the development of the modern dental implant. How dental implants are done. Initial consultation. The process begins with an initial consultation where the dentist or oral surgeon examines the patient's mouth and jawbone. X-rays or 3D scans are typically taken to assess the bone density and determine if there is enough bone for the implant. Surgical placement. The implant is surgically placed into the jawbone. This is done under local anesthesia or sedation. The implant is placed in a way that it will integrate with the bone over time. Osseointegration. After the implant is placed, the bone begins to fuse with the titanium implant in a process called osseointegration. This process can take several months, during which time the implant becomes securely anchored in the bone. Attaching the prosthesis. Once osseointegration is complete, a post, abutment, is attached to the implant, and a crown, bridge, or denture is placed on top to restore the function and appearance of the missing tooth. Duration of the procedure. The procedure for placing a dental implant generally takes several months. The surgical placement of the implant itself may take only 1 to 2 hours, but the healing process, osseointegration, typically takes anywhere from 3 to 6 months. After that, additional time is needed for attaching the prosthesis. Technology and tools used in dental implants. CAD/CAM technology. This refers to computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing systems, which help in designing and creating the dental implant prosthesis. These systems allow the dentist to create a precise 3D model of the patient's mouth and design the implant to fit perfectly. 3D imaging systems. These systems use advanced imaging techniques to create a 3D map of the mouth and jaw, allowing for precise placement of the implant. Surgical guides. These are custom-made templates that help the dentist place the implant in the correct position. They are often created using CAD/CAM technology and are based on 3D scans of the patient's mouth. Possible risks and side effects of dental implants. While dental implants are generally safe and effective, there are some potential risks and side effects, including infection. Infection at the implant site can occur, which may lead to implant failure if not treated promptly. Nerve damage. The implant may affect nearby nerves, leading to numbness or tingling in the lips, gums, or chin. Implant failure. In some cases, the implant may not properly fuse with the bone, osseointegration, which could result in implant failure. Sinus problems. For implants placed in the upper jaw, there is a risk of sinus problems if the implant protrudes into the sinus cavity. Gum recession. Over time, the gums around the implant may recede, which could affect the appearance and function of the implant. Conditions that may prevent someone from getting a dental implant. Severe gum disease. People with periodontal disease or other gum issues may not be candidates for implants until the gum disease is treated. Insufficient bone density. If a patient does not have enough bone in the jaw to support the implant, they may need bone grafting before the implant can be placed. Chronic health conditions. Conditions like diabetes, heart disease, or autoimmune disorders can increase the risk of complications during or after the procedure. Smoking. Smoking can interfere with the healing process and increase the risk of implant failure. Young age. Younger individuals whose bones are still growing may not be suitable candidates for dental implants until their bones have fully matured. Blood disorders. Individuals with blood disorders or those taking blood thinning medications may be at higher risk for complications during surgery. Poor oral hygiene. Good oral hygiene is essential for the success of dental implants. People who do not maintain proper oral care may have a higher risk of complications. Technology and tools used during the procedure. Implant placement tools. The dentist or oral surgeon uses specialized tools to carefully place the implant into the jawbone. These tools are designed to ensure that the implant is placed precisely and at the correct angle. Surgical drills. These drills are used to create a small hole in the bone where the implant will be placed. The drills are specially designed to avoid damaging the surrounding bone and tissue. Healing abutments. These are temporary components placed on the implant to help guide the gum tissue to heal around the implant. Post-operative care tools. After the implant is placed, patients may need specific tools or devices to help with healing, such as special cleaning brushes for the implant area. What is the machine that makes noise during implant surgery? The noisy machine that is often used during implant surgery is called a suction machine or saliva ejector. It is used to remove saliva, blood, and other fluids from the mouth during the procedure to keep the area clean and dry. This machine ensures that the surgical site remains clear for the dentist to work effectively. What is the machine used to take X-rays before implant surgery? Before placing a dental implant, the dentist uses a 3D imaging system or cone beam computed tomography (CBCT) to take detailed X-rays of the mouth and jaw. This system provides high-resolution images that help the dentist plan the implant placement accurately. What is the computer used to plan implant placement? The computer used to plan implant placement is typically a CAD/CAM system or 3D imaging software. These systems allow the dentist to create a detailed 3D model of the patient's mouth and plan the exact location for the implant. The software helps the dentist visualize the jawbone structure, surrounding teeth, and the optimal position for the implant. Who is not eligible for dental implants? Not everyone is eligible for dental implants. People who have the following conditions may not be suitable candidates: severe gum disease, bone loss, certain medical conditions, for example, heart disease, diabetes, blood disorders, young age, under 18, poor oral hygiene, smoking. Conclusion: dental implants are an effective and long-lasting solution for replacing missing teeth. However, it is important to assess the patient's overall health, bone density, and oral hygiene before proceeding with the procedure. With the advancements in technology, dental implants have become more precise and reliable, providing patients with a natural-looking and functional solution for tooth loss.